Hello there. Today I would like to do a small product review. This isn't sponsored and I purchased these items with my own money. The chain cleaner that I had been using, the WD-40 version, had run out, so I decided that it was time to try a new and different cleaner, and I got some different wax at the same time. These are Zing chain cleaner and chain lube. They come from Sportsbikeshop. They're $4.99 each for 500 milliliter cans, which is rather a good deal if it works. They seem to have some good reviews on the internet. Also in this video you will see me use this Streetwise portable pressure washer, but I'm not reviewing this. I may do at some point in the future. It's just here to merely give me water to clean the chain, as the hose pipe doesn't reach out the front of the house. But yeah, so basically 2 cans here, about, what's that, £10, which if it works will be a very good deal. So here we can see on the website that they're bestsellers, and they've got Ride magazine recommendations. You can order them online or pick them up in your local shop. I think this one, the cleaner's 4.7 stars, and the chain lube is 4.9 stars, and they seem to have good reviews, which bodes well. We shall see how it compares to the WD-40 stuff, which wasn't bad, but I will just try others. So here's the cans. You can see that it's a slightly taller can, as you get 100 milliliters more. Not much difference in size, but not something I'd like to take away. The nozzle on the cleaner, though, it gives a powerful spray, but there is no way to fit the little plastic straw tube in to direct it, so it's quite a generalised spray. I did find today when I was using it was a bit windy and it was kind of being blown everywhere rather than the chain. I had to get in quite close to clean it. No such problem though with the chain wax, as that allows you to put in a tube. Here we can see the chain is still in quite good condition. I only did it, 200 or 300 miles ago, about a month ago was it? I don't know. It's got the WD-40 chain wax on, which this time I put on a thicker coat and it hasn't rusted, but as you can see it made an awful mess going on. It's a horrible white goopy mess, and yeah, it doesn't look the prettiest. So I've given it a spray with the cleaner and letting it soak, and as you can see it's done quite a good job just letting it soak. I shall get out a brush in a minute and start scrubbing it and see how it works. But it looks promising so far. So here we are cleaning it with just a cheap brush. I didn't buy any special brushes, I never have. They're just cheap brushes. I think a pack of 5 off Amazon for £5, and then a bit of a rag to get in there and clean a bit better and get some more gunk off. It's doing a good job though. It's leaving it really clean. It's got that horrible thick goopy wax mess off. So the chain cleaner also smells quite nice. It's quite citrusy, I think, which is pleasant. Not that you go around sniffing chemicals and sprays, I hope, but you know, it's a nice smell. For $4.99 for 500 milliliters, that's a rather good deal. It cleans the chain well. Yeah, I'd use this again, definitely. It's done a very nice job in cleaning the chain. So you'll see me now just using the pressure sprayer just to get some water on there to clean off the excess cleaner and gunk, that dirt that has accumulated. Just clean it off, rinse it. I'll give it a bit of a dry, and then we shall start to wax the chain up. So yeah, the cleaner I would say is definitely a 4.7 star product. $4.99 for 500 ml, definitely worth it. So here we can see it's done a nice job. The chain's looking very clean, like brand new. No rust, no dirt, no grime on there. So yeah, I'm happy with that one. What else can you say? I mean, it's done the job. Done the job nicely. I think it was a lot quicker and easier than using the WD-40 version myself. So I'm just giving it another rinse, just to make sure there's no more hidden cleaner or gunk in there, and I'll let that dry. By the way, that's not rust on my exhaust, just a bit of dirt. The camera makes it look orangey and brown, but it's not. It's just a bit of dirt that needs wiping off when I clean the thing. So yeah, as you can see, the lovely chain, very clean, very brand new looking. Yeah, not bad at all. And it's done a nice job of cleaning up the sprocket. That was a horrible goopy white mess, and now it's looking quite nice. So definite recommendation for using Zing chain cleaner. And here we are. The wax was sprayed on. It says to spray it twice, 2 revolutions of the chain. And this is a rather, it's not goopy mess like the WD-40 one. It's a kind of a filmy finish. You can see it shining a bit. It's a lot easier to apply and makes less mess than the WD-40 version. As you can see here from the back, there's no mess all over the sprocket. The chain looks quite like a natural finish, metal finish. So yeah, again, I would say that's definitely worth $4.99. How long it lasts and keeps the chain looking like new and rust-free will remain to be seen. But I shall update on this as the month goes on, and we shall compare how long it lasts to the WD-40 version. However, I will say I'm impressed with both for $4.99 each. They're very easy to use and apply. The wax is definitely a added benefit in its ease of application and not making that horrible goopy mess that the WD-40 made. However, that might translate into it having to be done more often or not giving as good as protection. Like I said though, we will find out about that one. So yeah, for $4.99 each, I would say that the Zing chain cleaner and chain lube from Sportsbikeshop are definite recommendations. They are easy to use and apply, don't make mess. Chain cleaner does an excellent job of getting the horrible mess off that was left there. There wasn't as much scrubbing as when I was using the WD-40 version. I know this is all a bit subjective and everything, but we shall see how long it lasts, whether the thinner looking lubricant lasts just as long. But in the meantime, I would definitely recommend these for those looking for a cheap and effective solution for cleaning and waxing their chain. So anyway, I will see you next time. Have fun and stay safe.